Well, hello there, fabulous people. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make my absolute favorite winter warmer, pepper soup. Pepper soup is perfect for the cold winter months. It's so soothing and super easy to make. So come with me. Let me show you how to make it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So, let's begin. The first ingredient I'm going to be using for this pepper soup is goat meat. I'm using goat meat that has the bone still in it. It's perfect for pepper soup. I'm also using this. It's called goat Shakki, also known as goat tripe. Simply cut this into some roughly medium pieces, not too big and not too small. It's a soup after all. You want to be able to eat at one scoop. So I'm going to just simply cut these nice and neatly, and it should look something like this. Once these are all nicely cut, I'm going to add this to the pot along with the goat meat. Now I'm going to begin to make a pepper blend for this pepper soup. My pepper blend for this is a simple combination of 3 basic ingredients. I'm using the long red peppers, some onion, and Scotch bonnet. With Scotch bonnet, add as much or as little as you prefer, just to your taste. Now I'm going to simply prep these by cutting them into smaller chunks. Then I'm going to add this into my chopper because I want it not to blend smoothly but to be a very rough blend. So simply chop this nicely using your chopper, and we're going to simply set this aside for now. Now I'm going to add about a half of the pepper blend mixture into my pot, which has the goat meat and the goat Shakki. I'm adding stock cube to these as well. I'm also going to add my main ingredient for this pepper soup. This is what I call the pepper soup spice. It's a combination of some Nigerian local spices. I'll leave the recipe in my description box below. I'm also adding some salt, and I'm going to simply mix this to combine properly. Once that's all nicely mixed, I'm going to cover my pot and put this on my stove and allow it to begin to cook. At this stage, there is no need to add any water to the meat at all. The meat would naturally release some of its own water and it would just cook. So allow this to cook in its own juice naturally without adding any water. This process should take about 15 to 20 minutes. So just continue to leave it to cook in its own juice for about 20 minutes until the water is naturally reduced. Once the water is naturally reduced, just like this, we're going to add about a jug of water. Now I'm going to add some more of that pepper blend. And there is no pepper soup without the pepper soup spice. So make sure you add this as well. Just a bit more of that spice. We're going to simply mix this and we'll cover it and allow it to cook for about 40 more minutes. Within these 40 minutes, you typically want to cover the pot, allow it to cook, but keep an eye on it. So keep opening and closing and check the water rate. If you need more water, you can always add it. Now this is scent leaves. There is no pepper soup without scent leaves. It is very similar to basil if you live in the UK. So if you can't find scent leaves, make sure you use basil. It would work very nicely as well. So I'm going to simply chop these into some rough chunks, and I'm going to simply add my scent leaf into my pepper soup. It's been about 40 minutes, so the meat is nicely tender, and I've added water in between just to make sure it doesn't reduce too much. So once you add the scent leaf, stir, and the pepper soup should be ready in less than 2 minutes from that. Scent leaf is very fragrant, and you want to make sure the leaves are nice and fresh without overcooking it. So once you put the scent leaf, just mix it, wait for about 1 minute or two, and then simply take your pepper soup off the stove because it is ready to serve. I wish you can smell the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful aroma of this pepper soup. It tastes absolutely delicious, and as you can see, it takes just a few ingredients and your pepper soup is ready. Now, may I just remind you, if it's your first time visiting my channel, welcome to Megshaw's Kitchen. Remember to press the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and if you haven't already, do subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for that. Now take a look at this absolute deliciousness. This pepper soup smells amazing. It is super cozy and soothing for the winter months, and it tastes absolutely delicious. I hope you can try out this recipe sometime. Do let me know in the comment section if you do. Now, typically, goat's meat pepper soup goes so well when paired with some plain boiled rice. So feel free to eat it on its own or boil some plain white rice and enjoy this absolute goodness. This is super delicious, and it's also so easy to make with very few ingredients. I hope you can try this out sometime. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends and family, spread the word. And if you haven't already, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much for cooking along with me today. I'll see you again next time with another recipe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.